There are actually 10 types of spies in your business. Your prospects, your customers, your ex-customers, your suppliers, your business community, your competitors, your staff, employees, your hired mystery shoppers, your hired spies, and lastly, your research and engineering, reverse engineering. So for example, your prospects can be your spies. I will always encourage my prospects to get another quote from another company and then let me know so that I can improve and make it the best. So in this way, my prospect will get the best because I do not know how to propose to him, so I let him know, you please get another quote. So in this way, I'm getting spies. My customers that have been with me for long, I will encourage them to try out my competitors for 1 or 2 times, and then they will know the difference. Of course, to do that, I must be very confident that my offering is good. My ex-customers, if you contact your customers every 3 months, you know whether they are your ex-customers or your current customers. In fact, when they're your ex-customers, they will say, oh, now we are not buying from you, we're buying from another company. And then you can simply ask the information like, oh, what do they give you? I can give you better. So in this way, you're actually getting your ex-customers as your spies. Your suppliers, they know everybody, so you must actively seek information from your suppliers. Business community, you need to be a leader, to be in the board of directors of the Chamber of Commerce, then you get all the information. Better still, you organize projects and you get all the information of your competitors. That's provided they are in your Chamber of Commerce and associations. And you know that your competitors are always spying on you, so you need to be vigilant. When you come across a customer that seems too good to be a customer, seems too good to be true, that must be a spy. And your staff, when your staff always complain to you and say that, well, the competitor offers something better, whether it's salaries or it's a product offering, they actually they can be your spies. You can make use of them, ask them, so let me know what do they have, and I will improve my offering. Your hired mystery shoppers. This is one of the most effective way in spying in business, but it's rather expensive. Your hired spies. Of course, you hire someone to be a spy, but be careful. This spy can do reverse spying on you, so it's highly dangerous. I will not encourage people to use hired spies. I will encourage you to do number 10, the R&D reverse engineering, because this to me is the most sustainable. I take my competitors' product, I will strip them apart, I will do reverse engineering to improve upon them. No matter what I do, ladies and gentlemen, foreknowledge is most easily obtained through spies. So I encourage you to use spies in your business, because as Santu said, if we can win without fighting, we have foreknowledge, then we can win the battle. So use spies more.